So I just want to talk about motivation and creating art. It's going to be a short video. I'm not going to cover everything. I know I'm just going to make a quick 2, maybe 3 minute video of what I've recently started doing to stop my creative block and to keep those motivation flows flowing. Yesterday was quite like down day for me. I wasn't feeling too good. I kind of had like anxious thoughts and was questioning my life and what I'm doing and what I want to do and what I want in my future, and it helped me realise that what I was doing wasn't what I wanted. I recently downloaded Call of Duty on my iPad and was loving it. I was having a great time, but as fun as it was in the moment, it made everything else less enjoyable. I would try and sit down to draw, which I would normally love to do, and it didn't feel as good. I just kept thinking back to the game, because the game is designed to be enjoyable. It's literally made to keep you playing and playing and playing easily, and to keep you distracted and to keep you coming back for more. It's depletes your dopamine levels. It's like a dopamine overload. It stops you from being motivated to other things because it's not as enjoyable as the game. And so I decided, and it was a very difficult decision, to stop gaming again. I've made this decision in the past and I kind of keep going back on it. I guess it's like a drug addict going back to the drugs. It's a gaming addict going back to the games. But once again, I've decided to stop gaming because it's not what I want in my future. And maybe this is just me. Maybe other people can find healthy balances, but I've got an addictive personality. Hopefully, me at least speaking about this will help someone watching the video. Maybe you don't enjoy it as much as you want to, your art process. Maybe there's something else in your life that's really, really enjoyable to the point where it's depleting the enjoyableness of everything else. So maybe think about the balances and think about maybe stopping some things to let other things flow. I'm going to be making other videos like this. I hope you liked it. Subscribe and comment and like and all those things. Thank you.